Welcome in the RTS e-Guru. Today we are going to learn Unit 8. It's a 8th video of the series. So, Unit 8, I'm going to New York. I'm going to New York. In this unit, you will learn the following. How to ask what something cost. How to talk about travel. How to use numbers up to 20. Here are the words you will learn to use: arrive, bus, buy, cents, day, dollars, everyone, for, leave, month, plan, school, since, till, still, train, week, weekend, year. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, these are the words we will learn. These are the phrases we will learn. Here are some phrases you will learn to use. I'm from. I have been here for. How much is, how much are. Here are some sentences you will practice. Where are you from? Where are you? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How did you get here? How much how much is that purse? I have been here for 2 days. I have been here for 2 days. We are from Moscow. I am going to New York. Okay, these are the sentences we will practice in this session. Grammar 10. Tips: present perfect tense. So picture 1, dollars, cents. Okay, 100 cents is equal to a dollar. How much is this pen? It's $11. How much is this wallet? It's $12. $11, $12. How much is this book? How much is that book? It's $13. How much is that purse? It's $14. $15, $16, $17, $18, $19, $20. 14, 13. Okay, these are the letters you can see here, and this is the map from Tokyo to New York. Where are you from? I'm from Tokyo. I'm from Paris. I'm from Sydney. Where are you from? We are from Moscow. Where are you from? We are from Cairo. Where are you from? I'm from London. So repeat from picture 3 to 8. Where are you from? I'm from Tokyo. Now your turn. Picture 4, picture 5, picture 6, picture 7, picture 8. These are the shorts for days: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 7 days is equal to a week. Okay, 12 months a year. I'm in Tokyo, Monday. I'm going to New York, Monday. Picture 3, I'm in New York, Tuesday. I'm still in New York, Wednesday. Picture 5, I'm going to Paris, Wednesday. Picture 6, I'm in Paris, Thursday. Okay, so these are the picture shows that the person who is on who's where on which day: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, now repeat picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6. I'm going to New York. I have, we have. Okay, London Airport in picture 1. How long have you been here? I have been here for 2 days. How long have you been here? I have been here for 2 days. How long have you been here? I have been here for 2 weeks. How long have you been here? I have been here for 2 weeks. How long you have been here? You should answer first. Okay, my turn. I have been here for 3 days. Now repeat from here. It's your turn. Picture 2, picture 3, 4, picture 6, United Airport, 2008, Australia. How long have you been in Australia? For 3 years. Since 2008. 2008 to 2011. How did you get here? By plane. How long you have been in Sydney? For 2 months. Since August, October. How did you get here? By train. How long have you been in Sydney? It's your turn to answer. We have been here for 4 weeks. Okay, and we here for 3 weeks. Maybe different answer for both. How did you get here? By bus. The Bansons. Okay, before we going to a Banson family, repeat this one. Picture 2, picture 3, picture 5, picture 6, picture 8, picture 9. That's all about these pictures. Okay, now Bansons. So Jill, your sister Ben, and Ben's your brother Jill. Yes, that's right. Hello everyone, I am Steve. Picture 3. Hello Steve. Where are you from? I'm from Australia. Picture 5. How long you have been here? For 2 months. I'm a teacher at school here. Okay. Now your turn. Repeat these exercises. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5, picture 6. And this is all about Unit 8. See you. We will meet in Unit 9 in next video.